Review Unit 6. 1. The kiwi fruit has long been considered a superfood. It has more vitamin C than a comparable amount of orange, and it provides plenty of minerals too. It's also both exotic in appearance and absolutely delicious to eat, with a flavor which reminds people of strawberries and bananas, and a creamy consistency all of its own. Recent research, however, suggests that it might be more than just a useful and tasty part of our diet. Kiwi fruit contain numerous nutrients called phytonutrients that protect the DNA in human cells from damage. In a study of children in Italy, it was discovered that the more kiwi fruit the children ate, the fewer breathing problems, such as shortness of breath or night coughing, they had. Other studies have shown kiwi fruit protect against diabetes, and, like all fruits that are rich in vitamin C, they reduce the risk of heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. They are also a great source of dietary fiber, and fiber has many beneficial properties, ranging from keeping the blood sugar levels of diabetic patients under control to reducing the risk of a heart attack. 2.
Now, nuts are considered to be good for you by just about everybody, aren't they? But is that true? How healthy are they? I can't think of anyone better to ask than our health expert, Dr. Julian Smith. Welcome back on the show, Doctor.
Hi, Samantha. Yes, nuts. I think it's fair to say that nuts are good for you. They're packed with nutrition, they're natural, and most are high in fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, which are good for your heart. The problem with nuts, though, is that we add all sorts of things to them, from salt and sugar to chocolate.
So you're saying that nuts should be avoided?
Far from it. Just cut out nuts that have been processed or packaged in any way, and buy them loose and in their natural state. There are plenty of natural food shops you can go to get the real thing. There's no such thing as an unhealthy nut either, although some are better than others, especially if you want to lose weight. Chestnuts are lower in calories, for example, whereas macadamia nuts and pecans are much higher. 3.
A new study has shown that foods on the market which are given a healthy eating label are contributing to the obesity crisis in this country. That's because people believe that food marketed in this way is less filling, and as a result, they eat more of it. Instead of helping people to lose weight, healthy eating foods are encouraging them to eat more. In reaching their findings, researchers tested how 3 groups of students responded to different labels on food and found that, in the minds of most people, healthy meant less filling. Researchers suggest that food, in future, should be labelled differently. Instead of calling something healthy, it should be labelled nourishing instead.